देखती टीवी पे. So we are here for the Women in School Leadership Program, which is a program by Victorian government, and we are in the second phase of the immersion program. When the Australian principals had come to our school, they had visited our schools, and at that time they told us that there are a lot of similarities between both the schools, schools in India and schools in Australia. Now we are here and we are seeing that yes, whatever they said, it's very, very true. The diversity which we talk about in Indian school is also here in the Australian schools, and that's a big learning. It's an eye opener for us that the teaching pedagogy also, the way they look at schools, the way they look at the skills which they need to develop in the students, and what we are aiming at, it's almost the same. So it's a great learning experience to understand each other, understand each other's culture, and it's helping us definitely to go back and implement in our schools. It will benefit the education system in our school too.
This program, Women in School Leadership, it's a cumbersome program comprising of global citizenship and the curriculum that has been designed properly for the principals to understand whatever the skills and competencies the students must possess, and the social emotional well-being of each teacher and all the stakeholders, especially the students, has been taken care. And it is well designed. I hope that after attending this training, we all are well equipped with whatever we need to make up the plan in our schools to start up the new dimensions in the field of education. Thank you so much for organizing this program.
So this is a great learning experience, immersion program. So 2 school principals from 2 countries, different countries meeting up. So we've already had a session in India and now this is in Australia. So I believe that children are same across the globe and two squares for everywhere. So the best practices that we are learning together here in this immersion program is equally effective across the globe. So this exchange program is a great learning experience for all of us. And my second takeaway from this program is that the leadership plays a very important role in bringing a change in anything. And now that Australia is on FISO, their education policy, and India is now implementing a National Education Policy 2020, there are lot many things that are common. And with this immersion program for leadership, we can implement many good practices in the school to bring the change in the school students' learning. That is important.